Good morning, everybody. So today I'm actually going to make kind of like a farmer soup. I'm not following the recipe though. I just have some chicken stock here that it's been simmering for about 6 days in my crock pot because I just couldn't get around to dealing with it. So what I'm going to do is I got 1 pound of ground beef, nice and frozen. I'm just going to put that in there and let that simmer up and get cooked. So I'll bring you guys back when that's done, which is probably half an hour or so. Okay, so that meat is now nicely cooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 quart or liter of crushed tomatoes in. I have a second jar just in case I think it might need more. And I was breaking up that ground beef as I was going. And yes, there's a nice layer of fat on there. I honestly don't care. It doesn't bother me. We'll see. I'm still peeling and chopping my potatoes and my carrots. So I'm going to let this keep going while I finish doing that. Alright, so I have about 7 medium-sized potatoes, all nicely diced up. Now please remember guys, I don't add garlic and onion to stuff because I'm low Fodmap. Feel free to add it to whatever I'm doing. Okay, so there is my potatoes in there, my ground beef, tomatoes, I said that already. Tomatoes, ground beef, potatoes, chicken stock so far. Now, oh, there's a nice big chunk of beef. I kind of want to break that up. I've been breaking the beef up as I've been stirring it. Okay, now, carrots. Okay, and now I have about 3 pounds of carrot, 2 or 3 pounds, I can't remember what the bag was now, of carrots that's going in there. Yes, I was lazy. I used the chopper for it. Okay. Oh, this looks tasty. Oh, so much snowflakes coming down to investigate. Okay. Now I'm not going to add any salt or anything to this until it's cooked for a few minutes, where I can taste it and go, maybe, or some pepper. Actually, I am going to add pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper as soon as I find it. Where'd I put it? There we go. Just going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. Not tons. There we go. Alright, because I like this soup simple. Okay. I still don't know if I'm going to add that other jar of tomatoes yet. Actually, let me taste the broth. Let's give the broth a taste. Sorry guys, my brain is in a zillion places right now. Okay. Salt's perfect. The tomato is perfect, not overpowering. The chicken stock is gorgeous. Oh! I've never simmered chicken stock for 6 days. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, that is just so tasty. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this simmer here for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And then while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get all my jars ready to get this into jars and into the canner. So we'll be right back. All right. So I've got some of my jars here. I've got my soup here beside me that turned out tasty and really, really nice. I don't know how many jars I'm gonna get from this, and I'm doing pints because pints just work much easier for me. You can get a lot of food in 1 pint. All right, now I need my, you guys are gonna be so impressed. I have everything right here. Okay, so I'm gonna debubble the jar. find, there it is. I'm gonna wipe the rim. Wipe the rim, get it nice and clean. You don't want any of the grease or anything on there. Okay, now put a lid on it. And then we're going to put a band on it. I really want to call it a ring. That song goes into my head every time now. Okay, so there we go. Look at that. Can you see? Look. Oh, I wonder if I can. Ooh. I don't know what you're seeing, but God, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so we'll be back in 75 minutes. 75 minutes for pints. Oh, there we go. That focused. 75 minutes for pints. 90 minutes for quarts. All right, and here we go. I ended up with 9 pints. Yeah, 3, 6, 9 pints of the, I'm going to call it like a farmer soup, hamburger soup kind of thing. So I got 9 lovely lunches for myself later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this kind of encourages you to just try something different. You just never know what you may come up with in the end. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye.